Hi, this is Shafiq Shuhak from Aeronex. Welcome to the Shopify dashboard overview video. Whether you are a seasoned e-commerce entrepreneur or just starting out, mastering the Shopify dashboard is key to unlock the full potential of your online store. So let's dive in. From here, you can monitor sales, track visitors' activity, their behavior, manage orders, sales, product list, everything you can track from your dashboard. Well, now we will check one by one of the Shopify dashboard. So at first, going to the order. So this is the order page, and here you can see all the orders you get from your customer. You can also create order manually from here, and this section is the overview of the 2 days sales. The 2 days orders and other things also showing here. Well, next we will see the products. So in products, here you can add the products for your stores, and here you can add products manually, and also you can import products. If you have any CSV file with a specific format, then you can also import product in a bulk amount. So here are several other options, for example, product collection, inventory. Here you can manage the inventory, purchase order, transfers. This is for the inventory transfer, gift card, catalog, etc. So we will cover the video in detail in another videos. So then we are going to the customers. So this is the customer. When order will be placed, here the customer list will be populated, and also you can add customer manually, and when people subscribe to your to any form, then also the subscriber will be also added in here in this list. So then going to the content. So the content basically comes with meta object and files. So meta object has is an advanced thing, so I will discuss about that on another video. And files, basically when you upload any images for your products or your logo, every images or assets will be included in the file section. Okay, so then going to the finance. So this is the financial overview of your store. Here you can see the net sales, gross profit, gross margin, earnings breakdown, etc. So then going to the analytics, that's very interesting because as a Shopify store owner, you should be expert on this analytics, so you can easily understand that how your business going on through your Shopify. So here in the analysis overview, so here is the total sales. Here has a time and price, time versus price graph, so you can also understand when you how your store sales is going on. Sales channel, basically if you have multiple sales channels, so here it will show online session is store sessions. Basically when a visitor comes, the graph will be shown here. Online store conversion rate, total order, average order value, and top selling product, which products are performing very well, customer chart analysis, returning customer rate, sales attribute marketing, sales by location, device type, social is source, which social source from they are coming from, sales by social source, and top refers by sessions. So basically there are lots of analytical graph here, and you can easily understand overview about this. And there is another thing, that is report. So in this report there is a detail about everything. So there is a detail thing in the report section in the Shopify. It has a really charm that Shopify through Shopify you can get a detailed report on many things. So there are sessions by locations, refer, etc. There are lots of reporting section. There are if you need to know about it, you can comment on this video, so I will make a video about this detailed report section. The live view is basically the live view means I wanted to show you. So visitor right now, total sales, total session, that's a lively it show right now how the store when basically it's very helpful when your stores is very popular, lots of visitors coming here. So you can also understand that, for example, you are running a campaign or marketing, then how the live visitor is coming up and how everything is going on. So from here basically in live view you can understand it well. Then we'll go to the marketing section. So in the marketing, here the total online session, conversation rate, total sales, attribute, and total marketing channels, which apps are used for the marketing, and this kind of things are here. And there are also campaign automations are using. Then we'll go to the discounts. In this discount you can create coupons, various kind of condition you can apply, for example buy one get one or 10% discount on first order. There are lots of condition you can apply. If you want to know a detailed video on it, so you can let us know. I will create a detailed video on discounts coupon. So this is the main and basic overview of the Shopify dashboard. There are also another thing I think you should know, that is the online store. In this online store you can install themes, write blog post, pages, navigations, and other things. So in the blog post, let me show you. So in the blog post you can write the blog for your customers. Then in the pages you can create pages like contacts or private information based page, for example sizing charts, privacy policy. But basically Shopify has a privacy and terms of policy another page, so we can write the informative pages from here. Then go to the navigation. So here the navigation you can change the footer menu, links, main menu links, you can manage it from here. Preferences is basically for example your store title, description, meta description, and other some important things managed from here. And settings, this is another important thing you should know. From settings you can manage the all settings from here. So this is the overview of the Shopify dashboard. I hope you like it. If you want to know a detail on any specific segment, you can let me know in the comment, so I will make a video for you. So thank you so much for watching the video. Hit the subscribe. We will bring more videos which will help for manage your Shopify website. So thank you very much.